All right, day 0 Hot Rod Power Tour. I'm going in to get our credentials. Credential pickup seems to be so much smoother than years past. We are like a half hour earlier than open, but everything's open, running smooth, so super pumped. In like an hour, we're gonna do laps on NCM Motorsports Park track, so that should be pretty sweet too. That was like an extra thing like you could book, so I did that. Pretty stoked. I can't wait to get going here. This is easily the best, easiest check-in we've ever had at Hot Rod Power Tour. Like literally no line, walked in, it was absolutely awesome. Either it's because we're here super early or because they're super organized. They seem super organized. I think they finally got it figured out. Let's hope so. Some of these flags need to come home with us. If you've ever wondered what you get when you register for Hot Rod Power Tour Gold Club, I'll show you. So you get this bag. Oh, we got some stickers. Durlast hat. Degreaser cleaner. Oh, that's cool. License plate. Precision pen. Cool keychain. And we got this cool bag. This is like that decal bag you got. Yeah. Sweet. Here's our credentials. Gold Club sticker for the windshield. And you get this thing.
For your insurance?
They did not. I think that's about good, right? Hopefully. Dude, this thing is mint. The original paint.
Well, actually, no, you probably just saying mom and dad. There's not that many kids here.
Yeah, that more.
You take the plan B.
Not awesome that you got hit. Well, you still made it. Yeah.
Hey, the GoPro guy's coming here.
There we go.
Nice.
My dad rebuilt it from frame on. The tree was hit. I know it. I just got mine.
In about an hour, we'll be driving on the track. So pumped. I've never driven on a road course, so it'll be a first time for me. And it's a lead follow situation, so that'll be good because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But what I do know is the track direction is that way. All right, we're lined up, ready to go. It's gonna be pretty low impact setup, I think, but it should still be a good time. Getting ready, we're almost on the track at NCM Motorsports Park. I've got the camera on the roof and I don't have another GoPro like clip, so I won't be able to record in the car, but that's totally fine. I honestly could not be more excited. I think this is gonna be freaking awesome, fun time. I've never been on a road course, so it'll be interesting to see how this is. Got an old Mustang in front of us. Should still be good. Kind of want to jump in behind that Mustang, but oh well. This is friggin' awesome. So Adam Boca from NCM Insurance is the guy that insures our fun cars. Ironically, he doesn't insure this car. That's our buddy Chris Kylene. But anyway, Adam is driving the lead car in front of us. So it's like we get our own escort. Freaking sick. I'm so pumped. was so much fun. We weren't even going that fast. I got up to about 80 or so a couple of times. As they said, like in our driver's meeting, you're not racing against anybody. It's just a fun lap. So we didn't push it too hard, but I'm so grateful. That was so incredible. Adam up there in the black C8 giving me my own personal escort was incredible, because we did get to rip, I think, a little bit harder than some of the other cars on the course. Very technical, very challenging course. I can see how this would be addicting. Like, I'm thinking now, like, man, definitely got to check out Grattan and Gingerman and Waterford Hills. Like, all these tracks that are near us. It's so sick. Small check-in. It is raining, so we're seeking refuge in the car. The Motor Trend bags from the merch perfectly cover the seats on the bike. One of them has a leather seat and one of them has a velour seat, so we were a little bit worried about that, but Motor Trend's got us covered. So.
Yeah, the leather seat is the only one to worry about. The other one is ready for replacement.
I'm glad we got off the track before.
Yeah, perfect timing. So cool.
There's always wild stuff at Power Tour. Off the track. Now we're at, I guess it's like Holley's headquarters here. They're calling it the parking lot party. So there's a ton of cars here already. Looks pretty sweet. We'll check it out.
Probably a really good tire.
Yeah. Hello.
Give me this one here. Why is that?
It's sweet.
You like this? That's the real plate on there?
This may or may not be the vehicle that set off the smoke alarms at the hotel last year on that Facebook video I made. He's really having some FOMO that we didn't drive the Imperial. You could park the Imperial inside of the Brougham.
I know, right?
This car is absolutely massive. Yeah, because on your car, I can touch the back bumper and the end of the door, but on this one, I don't think I can.
That is awesome.
It's out of Chicago, too. Michigan car.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah, it's cool. So this is like inside the Holley warehouse. It's pretty incredible how massive this place is. I don't know if they've got free samples or not, but we're about to find out. They have signs everywhere that say no photos, so I am gonna respect that, but just gonna say, this place is freaking massive and very cool. Like, it's an endless amount. We started walking past Flowmaster mufflers like 7 miles ago, and we're still walking past Flowmaster mufflers. It's crazy.
That one was a parking lot. I just
had the top end off of it. This one had the motor down to
had the head
short
block.
block.
Yeah, this one was a short block.
The crane was laying in our garage.
Just the valve
It's like a nice version of the Chicago Cutlass.
Like 4, 5, 6 inches. So it'll fit into an 8.
Yeah.
So it's kind of cool. Chop.
That's cool.
Chop. Channel. Firewall. I like that.
So we're gonna film that.
Oh, look, cabriolet.
Tucked in for the night. Gonna go inside, change. Adam from NCM Insurance is gonna take us to dinner tonight, I guess, so that's pretty sweet. Really like this car.
Oh, thank you. How was that?
So he said they had a bad axle seal that they're trying to fix. Somebody else was working on the other side of the parking lot. We gave him our moving blanket that we used to lay on the ground. I told my dad, knock on wood, man, I don't miss that. Like, that part of Power Tour is stressful, but it's so cool. Like, everybody's over here helping them out, throwing tools around and seeing if they need anything. So one of the awesome things about Power Tour, like, hasn't even started. Number one, there's hotel parking lots filled with cool cars. Just everybody hanging out, doing fun stuff. So it's a good time. If you haven't done Power Tour, you should.